In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a diagram in Miro. Miro is a fantastic online collaborative whiteboard platform that's perfect for teams of all sizes. It allows users to work together to visualize, organize, and share ideas efficiently. Adding diagrams in Miro can significantly enhance your team's understanding of concepts, facilitate brainstorming sessions, and streamline workflows. Now let's dive into the steps to add a diagram to your board in Miro. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and go to Miro's website. The URL for this is simply miro.com. Once you're on their homepage, look to the top right corner where you will see the login button. Click on that. Now the login page will provide you with a couple of options. You can either sign in with your email or use your Google account, which can be convenient if you're already logged into Google on your browser. For this guide, let's assume you choose the option to continue with your email. Enter your email address, enter your password if prompted, and then click to proceed. If two-factor authentication is enabled for your account, make sure to complete that process as well. Once you've successfully logged into your Miro account, the dashboard should appear. Look for the specific board where you want to add your diagram and click on it to open. If you're new to Miro, this might be an empty board, which is just fine for trying out new features. On the left hand side of the board, you'll notice a toolbar with various icons. Find the icon that represents shapes and lines. It usually looks like a square with a line. Click on it and a submenu will appear. From there, select More Shapes. This offers a broader range of tools that can be helpful for more complex diagrams. Next, you'll see the option to manage shapes. Here you can enable different shape categories and find exactly what you need for your particular diagram. It's a great feature for customizing what tools and shapes are readily available to you in Miro. After configuring your shapes, navigate to the templates section. You'll see a button labeled See All. Click on it to explore a wide selection of templates already provided by Miro. These templates can save you a lot of time as they offer professionally designed diagrams and layouts to fit a variety of needs. Once you're in the templates section, you can either use the search bar to find a specific type of diagram or scroll through the options displayed. Find a template that suits your project, select it and click on Use Template. This action will load the template onto your board, and from there you can customize it to better align with your content or project goals. Finally, adjust the fields in the template as needed. Miro makes it easy to drag, resize and modify elements within the diagram. This flexibility allows you to tailor every part of the diagram to match your aims and ensure clarity for anyone viewing the board. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently add and customize diagrams in Miro, allowing for better collaboration and planning with your team.